I didn't expect this test to be as one-sided as it ended up being. My little dog has been shedding like crazy lately, so I grabbed 3 of the most popular mattress vacuums available, the Teant, the Jigoo, and the Feppo, to see which one could actually handle pet hair the best. For this test, I used the couch that's become my dog's favorite napping spot. If you have pets, you know exactly what that means. Hair gets woven into the fabric, trapped behind cushions, and sometimes ends up everywhere. I started with the Feppo. The Feppo actually did a solid job. It picked up a lot of hair and definitely improved the appearance of the couch. If I hadn't tested the others, I probably would have been satisfied with the results. But after one pass, there was still some visible hair left behind. The Teant immediately seemed stronger when it came to pet hair, which was no surprise. I compared several vacuums on mattress dust removal a while back, and it way outperformed the Feppo. After one pass, there was noticeably less visible hair. It also wasn't perfect, but it definitely cleaned the couch more thoroughly. Before I show you which one surprised me the most, if you're shopping for a mattress vacuum, I'll have links to all 3 in the description. Those affiliate links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. And if you enjoy real-world product testing instead of marketing claims, subscribe. I've got robot vacuum tests, carpet cleaners, and tons of other product reviews coming soon. Finally, I tested the Jigoo, and this is where things got interesting. After a single pass, the Jigoo removed almost all visible pet hair from the couch. I actually stopped and looked twice because the difference was obvious. But visible hair only tells part of the story. After testing all 3, I emptied their dustbins to compare what each machine had collected. The Feppo definitely picked up debris, but both the Teant and Jigoo appeared to collect noticeably more material overall, both dust and hair. At that point, I decided to take the Jigoo back over the entire couch one more time. What surprised me was that even though the visible hair was mostly gone, the Jigoo kept pulling additional debris and embedded material out of the fabric that the Teant and Feppo missed. That tells me it wasn't just removing what I could see. It was continuing to lift material that had worked its way deeper into the couch. Now, if you're looking for a mattress vacuum and pet hair isn't your primary concern, there are other factors to consider like price, features, handling, and overall cleaning performance. I loved both the Teant and Jigoo for dust and mite removal. But for this specific test, pet hair, the results were pretty clear. The Feppo did a respectable job, the Teant did better, but the Jigoo was the one that removed nearly all of the visible hair in one pass, collected one of the largest amounts of debris overall, and continued pulling additional material out of the couch afterward. So for pet owners dealing with shedding dogs like mine, the Jigoo is the winner of this test. If you'd like to check current pricing, I'll put links to all 3 in the description below. And if you want to see future mattress testing, robot vacuum reviews, and more real-world cleaning tests, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.